Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube students. Dear students, today we are going to do exercise 3.2, question number 2. In question number 2, as you see, there are 4 parts. So, right now we are going to solve its first part, that is f of x. Let y is equal to 2x plus 1. We can write this cube root as 1 upon 3. Fine. So this is equation 1, and now y plus delta y is equal to 2x plus delta x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. This is equation 2. Right now we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we will be having y plus delta y minus y on the left side of equation, and on the right side of equation we will be having x plus delta x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3 minus 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. So this y will be cancelled with y, and delta y is equal to 2x plus 2 delta x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3 minus 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3. So delta y is equal to, we can write down 2x plus 1 plus 2 delta x whole raised to the power 1 upon 3 minus 2x plus 1 whole raised power 1 upon 3. So we have written 2x plus 1 and 2 delta x whole raised power 1 upon 3. So here we are going to take 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 common. So delta y will be 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3, and this one we have taken common, so there will be 1, plus from this term we have taken 2x plus 1 whole raised by 1 upon 3 common, so this will be divided by this term minus 1. From here, these both two terms we have taken 2x plus 1 whole raised by 1 upon 3 common. So as we have taken this term common, so here it would be 1. Here there is no 2x plus 1, so it would be divided by this term, and minus 1 will be there. This will be solved by the binomial theorem. So we know by the binomial theorem, what is binomial theorem? 1 plus x whole raised to the power n is equal to 1 plus n of x plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial x square plus up to so on. So here you can see we will resolve this term by binomial theorem. So it would be delta y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3 into 1 plus 1 upon 3 into 2 delta x by 2x plus 1 plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 minus 1 by 2 factorial and 2 delta x by 2x plus 1 whole raised 2 delta x by 2x plus 1 whole square plus up to so on, and this minus 1 will be as it is. Minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. Now delta y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3, and if we are going to take delta x common, so this delta x will be taken out, and this is square, so it means 1 delta x will be taken as common. So here it would be 1 upon 3, it would be 2 upon 3, 2x plus 1, fine, plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 minus 1 by 2 factorial. So here it would be 4 delta x by 2x plus 1 whole square. It's up to so on. So to divide it by delta x, so delta x will be cancelled with delta x and delta x approaches to 0. After that we are applying limits as well. So wherever you can see delta x, it would be 0. So if 0 will be multiplied with this whole term, then the answer will be 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 1 upon 3 into 2 by 3 2x plus 1. Yes, it would be dy by dx is equal to 2 by 3 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power, this one power is 1, and if this power goes down, so it will be minus 1 upon 3. So 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 3, 2 by 3. So here we can write it down, dy by dx is equal to 2 by 3, 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power 2 by 3, or we can write it down as dy by dx 2 by 3 2x plus 1 whole raised to the power minus 2 by 3. I hope you have understood this question. So now let's move to question number 2, its second part, that is f of x is equal to 2x plus 2x minus 1 whole raised to power 1 upon 2. Now question number 2, second part, y is equal to 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. Now let's solve this. This is equation number 1, and if we are going to add y plus delta y, so it would be 2x x plus delta x. We have to just add delta x with x, same like we are adding delta y with y, minus 1 2x plus delta x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. Now this is equation 2. We have to subtract 1 from 2. So y plus delta y minus y, it would be 2x. If I am going to open it, it would be 2x plus delta x plus minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 minus 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. These both are cancelled. So this y is cancelled with minus y is cancelled with minus y, and if we are going to open it, it would be 2x plus 2 delta x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 whole raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So delta y is equal to 2x. If we are going to combine this and this, it would be 2x minus 1 plus 2 delta x whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 minus 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. Here we can take 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 common. So the remaining will be 1 plus 2 delta x by 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 minus this one we have taken common here, so it would be minus 1 over there. Fine. In the previous question as well, we have opened this expression by binomial theorem. So binomial theorem is, we know that the binomial theorem is 1 plus x whole raised to the power n is equal to 1 plus power into that variable x plus n means the power minus n, the power into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial x square plus up to so on. So here we are going to open this by binomial theorem. So it would be 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 and 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into 2 delta x by 2x minus 1 plus minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 by 2 factorial into 2 delta x by 2x minus 1 whole square plus up to so on minus this minus 1 will be coming as it is. Minus 1 and positive 1 cancelled. So delta y is equal to 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 and this 2 is cancelled with 2 minus 1 upon 2x minus 1. So I am taking this delta x common, this delta x and 1 from this delta x minus 1 upon 2 and this one answer is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 as well divided by 2 factorial is 2 and this 2 2s are 4 delta x 1 delta x we have taken common divided by 2x minus 1 this whole square plus up to so on. Fine. So delta x will be divided on both sides of the equation. So this one cancel with this and delta x approaches to 0 as well. So here delta x is there. So it will be 0. This whole term will be equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 and this whole term and as this whole term is equal to 0 so the remaining will be minus 1 upon 2x minus 1. Fine. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus 1 whole raised power minus 1 upon 2 and this positive one when it will go to the numerator so it will be minus 1 that is equal to minus 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 in plus minus 3 by 2 or we can write it as minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 whole raised to the power positive 3 by 2 when this power will go in the denominator it will become positive. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood this question as well. Now let's move to its third part, that is this is the third part, that is f of x is equal to 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. Now third part says y is equal to 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. This is the third part. We know that we have to add y plus delta y and x plus delta x in this equation. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we have to subtract 1 from equation 2. So it will be y plus delta y minus 5 is equal to 6x. Can I open it? 6x plus delta. 6x plus 6 delta x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2 minus 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. So delta x, so y is cancelled with y. So the remaining will be delta y, that is equal to 6x plus 7. I have combined these both two, plus 6 delta x whole raised to the power 5 upon 2 minus 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. We can take 6x plus 7 common from these both two terms. 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2 is taken common. So it would be 1 plus, here there is no 6x plus 7. So it would be 6 delta x. It would be divided by 6x plus 7 whole raised by 5 upon 2 minus, we have taken this common. So it would be minus 1 here. Fine. Now delta y is equal to 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. We have to open this by binomial theorem, and the binomial theorem is 1 plus x whole raised to the power n, that is equal to 1 plus n of x plus n into n minus 1 or 2 factorial x square plus up to so on. So if we are going to open this with binomial theorem, so it would be 1 plus this power is 5 by 2 into 6 delta x by 6x plus 7 plus 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 minus 1, same like n minus 1, divided by 2 factorial and 6 delta x by 6x plus 1, 6x plus 7 whole square plus up to so on. Minus 1, this minus 1 will be same. So this plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. So delta y is equal to 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15 delta x upon 6x plus 7 plus 5 upon 2 into, this would be 3 upon 2. Its answer would be 3 upon 2 divided by 2 factorial, and here it would be 36, 6 are 36 delta x square upon 6x plus 7 whole square plus up to so on. We have to take this delta x common. So the remaining will be 15 upon 6x plus 7 plus 15 multiplied by 36 divided by 4 divided by 2 factorial and delta x upon 6x plus 7 whole square plus up to so on, and divided by delta x divided by delta x. This delta x is cancelled with delta x, and afterwards delta x approaches to 0. Here delta x approaches to 0 means that this delta x is 0. It means that this whole term is equal to 0. So answer will be dy by dx is equal to 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2 into 15 by 6x plus 7 power 1. So answer will be dy by dx is equal to 15 into 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2 minus 1. This 1 will be in the numerator. So this power change from positive 1 to negative 1. So dy by dx is equal to 15 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2 minus 1. So it would be 5 minus 2, that would be 3 by 2. So 15 into 6x plus 7 whole raised to the power 3 upon 2. Fourth part is y is equal to 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. And afterwards, you know that we are going to add y, delta y with y, and same delta x with x. So this would be equation 1 and this would be equation 2. Now we are going to subtract 1 from 2. So y plus delta y minus y on the left side, and on the right side it would be, if we are going to open it, 3x plus 3 delta x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. So this would be cancelled. Delta y is equal to 3x minus 5. I am going to combine these both two, plus 3 delta x whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. So delta y is equal to, I am taking 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2 common. So it would be 1 plus 3 delta x by 3x minus 5 minus, if as we have taken it common, so minus 1 will be there. Now delta y is equal to 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2. We are opening it by binomial theorem. 1 plus minus 3 by 2 into this x 3 delta x by 3x minus 5 plus minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 factorial 3 delta x by 3x minus 5 whole square plus up to so on, and this minus 1 will be same. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. Here delta y is equal to 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2, and 3 3s are minus 9 upon 2 3x minus 5 delta x plus, and its answer would be minus 5 upon 2. Minus minus plus 15 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 3 3s are 3 square, 3 3s are 9 delta x square upon 3x minus 5 whole square plus up to so on. Now if we are going to take this delta x common, so delta x is common, so the remaining will be minus 9 upon 2 into 3x minus 5 plus 15 upon 8 into 9 delta x by 3x minus 5 whole square. So delta x is divided by on both sides of equation. So this will be cancelled and delta x approaches to 0. Limit is applying. When delta x approaches to 0, here we are having delta x and this whole will be equal to 0. So it will be converted into dy by dx, and 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 9 upon 2, 3x minus 5. This whole is 0. So we can write down answer as minus 9 upon 2 into 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power. When this minus, this will go into the denominator, then this power will be converted from minus to plus, and into 3x minus 5, its power is 1. So minus 9 upon 2, 3x minus 5, 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, it would be 5 upon 2. So minus 9 upon 2, 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. Hence y dash or dy by dx is equal to minus 9 by 2, 3x minus 5 whole raised to the power 5 upon 2. I hope you have understood all 4 questions of exercise 3.2 question number 2. So we have completed exercise 3.2. Now in my next video we are going to solve exercise 3.3 all questions, and I will make you understand how we are going to solve all questions of exercise 3.3. So keep watching and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.